What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Cooking with Michael. Tonight's meal is going to be a stuffed bell pepper with rice and garbanzo beans. We start out first with the bell pepper. Then I drain the garbanzo beans, wash them, and cook them in a pan with some butter. After that, I will be boiling the rice. We start out with a red bell pepper, but you can choose any color you like. I start out by boiling the rice. Being a vegetarian, I use long, whole grain brown rice, as seen here, which you can pick up from your local supermarket. So we're going to go ahead and start boiling that off. Okay, and now that the rice is done, I'm going to go ahead and open up the garbanzo beans and start them frying off in the pan. While we have the garbanzo beans cooking in the pan, I'm going to prep up the pepper. And the bell pepper is ready for when the garbanzo beans are done. Stay tuned. That popping sounds that the garbanzo beans are nearly done. Then I go ahead and take them off. Now that the garbanzo beans are done, I'm going to go ahead and stir in the rice with some cheese, throw it in the bell pepper, and put it in the oven until the vegetable is crisp. Cheers, y'all. Thank you guys so much for watching this video so far. Please smash that like button, subscribe and hit the bell if you're not already, and share with your friends. Thank you. As per request from my mother, I will have the ingredients list posted in the description down below. So if anyone's interested in making this dish or modifying it in any way, I will have the ingredients listed. That's before it gets baked. We will see what it looks like after I'm done baking it. And with that, dinner is done, folks. Check it out. Bell pepper and rice. I sure hope everyone enjoyed this episode. Stay tuned, more episodes are coming. Have a great day, evening, or night, everyone. Bye, y'all.